Hi, when the series originally aired, you saw Chad's method for making the rails. Well, I filmed the whole of my build, so I thought you might like to see my rails.
Today I'm going to be making the rails. Now, if you've already got your copy of the plans, you'll know that one of those rails, the front rail, is made up of batten material, 3/4 inch square, and we're going to be using halving joints for that. So I'll do that later on. But to begin with, we'll make the back rail and the two side rails, which are made from these blanks, which I cut in the introduction video. So I need to mark those out for length and for the mortise positions, and also a couple of curves and some cutouts on those as well for decoration. So let's get started.
To make cutting the 1-inch diameter curves on the side rails, you can see I've clamped them together. This really does help. Also, notice how the part is touching the column of the drill. It stops it from rotating under the torque of the drill itself. Cutting the slots in the sides is a challenge to get rid of as much waste as you can before moving over to using chisels and pairing it nice and square. So I'm just using a drill to give me an axis hole or some axis holes, and I'll use a jigsaw. Accurate marking out and cutting is all that's needed to produce a lovely crisp front apron rail. The front rail, of course, needs the dowel holes to line up with the front legs, and I'm using my doweling jig block just to make sure these go in nice and parallel. A full set of plans to go along with this build are available from my Etsy store or from my website. These plans include component drawings, options, a materials list, and over a dozen tips that will help your build go smoothly. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll show you how I tackled making the top. Cheerio!